Haka arpulai dengan ukalaling kot Hajar arpulai deki Hajar ki Nongkyrshan keseng sain perthai NPP kilashim benta haka mega rally bala pelong da kani keseng ha adok gre ha East Garo Hills District. Ya kani ka rally keseng NPP gala pelong kum ke jing sedang ke Jingialang election jongka. Ya ka bala sedang no menteri rangba ke jela ukonut ki sangma. Kum bajule ke NPP ke ju sedang ya kani ke Jingialang election jongka na adok gre ka badon hakar kata constituency. Hakani kasi lawane shimbentar ki kirtong jagani keseng sain perthai kintup na khasi ba Jingialang Hills District.
Madam Mamta Banerjee, that many leaders have joined you today. Many leaders from different political parties have joined the TMC. But let me tell you, and this is not Conrad Sangma saying it, this is the word in the market. And you can ask anybody, you have a lot of people in different networks. They will tell you that most of these leaders who have joined the TMC today have already planned to leave the TMC after the elections. They are already in contact with different political parties. They are already talking to many people. I am not saying this. This is the word in the market, in the political circle. It is my duty to give you a warning if I hear this kind of news. And it is true. So the question is, will you want to work the way you are planning to and invest, knowing that all these people will ultimately leave you after election and they are already in touch with different political parties? Please find out for yourself.